How to create cash flow. Cash flow is the net amount of cash that is going in and out of a company. A company's success is determined by its ability to create positive cash flows through the normal course of its business operations. Cash coming into a company, known as inflows, consists of revenues from the sale of goods or services, as well as income from investments. Cash going out of a company, known as outflows, consists of expenses and debt payments. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 1. Start a blog or podcast. The most important method for generating passive income is to start a blog or podcast. Bloggers and podcasters can generate a tremendous amount of income, but not quickly. If you plan to start a blog or podcast, understand that it's going to take a vast amount of work, time, and equipment to succeed. As long as you have a clear understanding of things like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and the ability to write or speak on high-value content, then you will succeed in the blogging and podcasting space. 2. Write and publish an ebook. Another great method for generating a respectable amount of passive income is to write and publish an ebook. Non-fiction ebooks that help to educate your audience on topics such as online marketing, business, or other self-development areas are going to sell far better than fiction books at the outset. Clearly, fiction can make tremendous amounts of money, but it's also highly competitive if you're a self-publishing author rather than an already established writer with an existing following. 3. Create an online course. Have a technical skill you're confident in. Want to convey that skill to others out there while generating a healthy passive income stream. Creating an online course on Udemy is a great way to automate some of your cash flow. However, like any other income stream that's passive, it takes a significant amount of effort on the front end. There are so many things that can be taught through an online course. I opt to teach technical skills in my courses, such as how you can become a web developer or learn search engine optimization. But you can also opt to teach other skills, such as playing an instrument, learning a new language, becoming a photographer, and so on and so forth. 4. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is likely one of the most powerful ways that you can produce multiple passive income streams. However, this isn't easy by any measure. To succeed at affiliate marketing, you need a large social media following. In other words, you need a big platform and audience. When you don't have a platform or audience, you need to run ads, which can get costly. If you know what you're doing and you're a seasoned internet marketer, you'll succeed. But it takes time to learn the ropes. Still, this is a great way to sell products and services that you don't own, effectively becoming like a broker while earning a healthy passive income stream. 5. Purchase dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are great resources for generating passive income. You also won't need to sell the stock to generate that income. However, you will need to buy a significant amount of stock market shares to see a healthy stream of revenue from whatever dividend stock you end up selecting. Do the proper research and due diligence on finding the right dividend stocks. You don't need to start out by knowing everything, but you do need a desire to learn and understand. Start small and build up from there while constantly keeping an eye out for high-income producing dividend stocks. 6. Index funds. Index funds are mutual funds that are tied to a certain market index. These types of funds mirror the ups and downs of the index they track. They are generally a cheaper alternative for investors who want lower management costs and lower turnover rates. It's a great tax-efficient vehicle than other investments. One of the best online brokers that'll help you invest in index funds is SoFi Invest. It's easy for beginners, it's fee-free, and it's a bright idea. Typically, fees are frustrating, and they can keep people from investing. This brokerage charges $0 in transaction and management fees. So there's no reason not to start investing in index funds to build a passive income investment. Become an investor without commission fees. You can make your first trade or your next trade with active investing. Learn the market as you do it yourself, and even get access to hot IPOs before they are sold to the public. Even if you don't have a bunch of money to start investing, you can get started with stock bits on SoFi. Stock bits are fractional shares that let you buy a part of a stock from your favorite companies. That means you can invest as much or as little as you want, starting at $1. You don't have to be a pro to invest like one, so get trading. 7. Bonds. Bonds are back in favor as interest rates inch upwards. Unlike stocks, bond investments are loans that you make to a company or government entity. In exchange for the loan, you receive regular coupon interest payments. Bonds are among the best ways to earn passive income because if you buy a new issue bond at par, usually $1,000, and hold it until maturity, you'll receive regular cash interest payments and a return of principal at the bond's maturity. Bonds with lower credit ratings typically provide higher interest payments and greater cash flow, while government bonds and highly rated corporate bonds will offer lower interest payments. Bond values can rise and fall, so you might receive more or less than your initial price should you sell before maturity. The bond's credit rating suggests the bond's likelihood of default, with lower-rated bonds carrying a higher risk of default. Investors can also invest in diversified bond mutual or exchange-traded funds to build passive income without lifting a finger. 8. Invest in the stock market. Investment in the stock market is the best way to generate passive income. However, this process does require a significant commitment of time and money. You have to apply for an account with a broker, obtain market research information to help you make buying and selling decisions, and monitor your account regularly. You can also integrate cash flow management software into your business to reap exponential benefits. The good news is that once you've successfully invested in the stock market, it becomes an asset that can provide you with long-term passive income without much work on your end. 9. Dropshipping. The allure of dropshipping is that you can set up an online store curated with a niche selection of products without the hassle of stocking inventory, packing, or shipping to customers. In this e-commerce model, you merchandise and market an assortment of items in an online storefront, and your suppliers handle the back-end and fulfillment. Globally, the dropshipping market was an estimated $100+ billion industry in 2018 and is expected to see a compound annual growth rate of nearly 29%. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.